Hey traders, hello and welcome to the new video. In this video, we're gonna talk about the gold forecast and analysis and Bitcoin as we usually trade on these two things. Okay, these are the previous zones that I created in somewhat last few days. So let's just revise these. Okay, this is a zone that is still a valid zone, and this is another one that is once retested, and I just took a trade from here that I showed you earlier, and this is a zone that is retested once, and for the second time, this candle just tried to show some uh, reach to the zone, but it couldn't on the shorter time frame. It just hit a particular zone on H1 maybe. Yeah. Okay, this is H1 short for gold, and this was a zone that was broken. Actually, this is H1 zone. Here it is, and it is broken, so it is useless now. Some people think that it is easier for someone who understands supply and demand and creating zone, but a zone that is created 2 months ago will not be valid for the time that will come later, because the candles and the price has retested that zone, and it becomes a usual for the candles to surpass that zone, because it has already been surpassed. So uh, out of it, there is some confirmation, like the reversal trend on the engulfing candle on the shorter time frame, as a confirmation that you need uh, before taking a trade. So let's just sum it up and draw the new zones. So this is still a valid one, so just drag it to the new candle, so it is easier for you to take the trade. This is the zone where you can trade on. If the price comes to this point, let me just show you. Your stop loss should be here for this trade. Okay, and you may take a trade from this zone, from whatever price it is. Okay, so let's just remove this one because it is surpassed, and this is H4, so this is the zone that can be created. You can see this red candle, and then the engulfing and thing starts. So from right here, as the price moved from this point 2 days ago, and when the price reached this uh, zone, sorry, this zone, so I just took a trade from right here, keeping the SL right here, and it is now boom. My TP was 1868, that I will show you in this video. I will add that video to this. And okay, let's just see what this zone is. Yeah, this can be another buy. So if you want to take a trade that is high risk, then you can take that from this box, the Yeah, and if you want a low risk one, so you can trade from the right here, whatever you like. Okay, if you want to trade on the shorter time frame, so let's just see what zones we can get. Almost the same. If you want to trade on, yeah, 30 minutes time frame, it is still the same. So let's talk about Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin, yeah, these were the zones that I was taking trades. uh, this the upper one and this one and the next one is still valid zones, as they are not surpassed, not just retested, not just touched once or twice. So let's just say, what other zones can we create it, what potential trades are there in Bitcoin for the next coming time. This is the zone, supply zone, potential supply zone. We will have to look for the reversal and H for candle to close within this boundary. Then we can take a trade on Bitcoin in the next days. Okay, uh, and this is a zone that we created a few days ago, which I just took two times. Once it created a bullish candle, a bullish engulfing demand zone, and then it reached that point. I took a trade, and when it reached that point, I took a trade. But luckily, when it reached this point, I was not there taking trades. So it was a good luck, and it was supposed to be an SL because it just surpassed that zone. So now we will look at it for the next potential demand zone from where we can buy. So this is the point. This is the point. Actually, I will draw this in a very precise way, but according to the theory, the supply and demand theory, it is comprised of a size that is something like this. So here is another demand zone. If you want to take a trade on this buy on this demand zone, then you will have to wait for this H4 candle to close above this green box, and then you can look for a buy, because it's a confirmation that it is going to be a buy. Otherwise, it's a sell position right now. As you can see, the trend is totally downward. So this is all from my side. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.